Wow. Look at all the drops of water on the screen. Unbelievable. And it's so foggy out. Wow, look at that. You can't even see out there. Wow. That's my neighbor's silly truck there. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen it like this in never. That's some thick fog. Wow. Look at those droplets. Here I go here. Well, it's August 13th. Thursday morning, 2009, and it's 6:19 a.m. This is weird. I seen the fog last night and I was like, wow. It scared me when I went out the door. I was like, whoa. Just a couple hours ago, around 4 a.m., it looked like snow. It's very weird. Here's the mist on the other window here. There's a fly. Look at all that. I don't know. This weather's weird.